everyone knows how Living Walls provide their property and their services. So this is their new property coming up in Hennur Main Road, just 10 minutes from the main road. This is Living Walls at True North.
North Bangalore has always been the city's most quietly ambitious corridor. It doesn't shout, it grows, and over the last decade, it has consistently rewarded the buyers who paid attention early. Before the metro stations were built, before the tech parks filled up, before the world caught on. Today, we are going to walk you through one of the most thoughtfully designed residential projects to come up in this part of the city in recent times. Living Walls True North on Hennur Bangalore Main Road. I am presenting this project through the Mani Consulting, and as always we are going to give you the full picture, location, product, pricing, what we like and what you need to know before making a decision. Living Walls, developed under VDB Infra Realty Private Limited, has been making a quiet but consistent mark in North Bangalore's residential landscape. They are not a volume builder. They build small, curated communities, boutique projects with a focus on quality over quantity. True North is a reflection of that philosophy. This isn't a 500-acre or 500-unit mega township. It's a 3-acre, 82-unit high-rise community, 2 iconic towers designed for people who want privacy, space, and a refined living without the chaos of a large-scale development. And that's restraint, honestly, is one of the most underrated selling points of this project. Let's talk about where this project sits, because location is everything in real estate, and True North had made a very smart choice here. Hennur Bangalore Main Road is one of North Bangalore's most active growth corridors right now. It connects Hennur Cross directly to Bangalore Cross and from there onwards to Kempegowda International Airport. The road also plugs into the outer ring road, making the project accessible from almost every part of the city. Here's what surrounds it. Madhya Park, one of the Bangalore's largest office campuses, is within easy reach. Bharati City, Thane Chandra are close by. And you have reputed schools. There are multiple international and CBSE schools within 10 to 20 minutes drive. Healthcare is covered with hospitals in the vicinity, and for retail and entertainment, there are multiple malls and shopping destinations nearby. The project sits diagonally opposite Purna Pragna School and Mantri Web City, which gives you a good sense of established social infrastructure already in place. Now, one thing we want to be transparent about, like most parts of North Bangalore inner corridors, peak hour traffic towards Manta, ORR and Hebbal can be a challenge. This is not unique to True North, it's a Bangalore reality. But it's something to factor in. It's your community and commuting daily in that direction. True North is a high-rise residential development comprising 2 well-designed blocks separated by a beautifully landscaped central zone. The towers are planned to rise up to 33 floors with Phase 1 approval in place for up to 10 towers. Block A offers 2 and 3 homes with 6 apartments per floor, giving you a good community feel without being overcrowded. Block B is more exclusive with only 4 apartments per floor, offering 3.5 and 4 BHK residences. If privacy is high on your list, Block B is where you want to be looking. The entire development sits on 3 acres with 3 levels of basement parking beneath, and the ground and the first floor entirely dedicated to world-class amenities. Residences begin from the second floor upward. 2 things genuinely stands out architecturally: the private terrace garden attached to select units and the flexi pods. These are adaptable spaces within the apartment that you can figure as a home office, a reading room, a hobby space, or an extra bedroom as you need evolve. In a post-pandemic world where how we use our homes has fundamentally changed, this kind of flexibility is not a gimmick, it's genuinely valuable. Completion is targeted for December 2027 with possession expected by June 2028. The project is registered with only 82 units in the project. The amenities to resident ratio here is excellent. You're not sharing a pool with 500 families. The lifestyle infrastructure includes a well-equipped gymnasium, swimming pool, tennis courts, basketball courts, badminton courts, squash courts, and a jogging track. For those who prefer slower mornings, there is a dedicated yoga and meditation deck. Inside the clubhouse, you have a cafe, co-working shoots, ideal for work from home days, a private theater, indoor games, a creche for young children, and a guest room for when family visits. The outdoor spaces are designed with pedestrian-friendly podium zones, landscape greens, and open green courts. There's a 24/7 security with CCTV surveillance, EV charging stations, rainwater harvesting, and 100% power backup. It's worth nothing that this project was recognized as the best eco-friendly sustainable project by Times Business 2024, which speaks to Living Walls' commitment to building responsibility. Let's talk numbers. Apartment at Living Wall True North are available in 2, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK configurations ranging from approximately 1471 square feet to 3200 square feet. Pricing currently starts at approximately 1.57 CR for a 2 BHK going up to 2.2 CR for a 3 BHK and 2.47 CR to 3.33 CR for a 4 BHK. 3.5 variants are priced in between. For context, 1100 to 1200 per square foot approximately, this is competitive pricing for a boutique high-rise product on Hennur Main Road. Hennur Road has seen consistent appreciation over the 4-5 years, and with the corridor ongoing infrastructure development and proximity to tech parks, the fundamental for long-term value growth remains strong. So if you want detailed cost sheet, payment plan breakdown and floor plan for a specific configuration, reach out us at the Mani Consulting. Details in the description below.